So after hustling with a lot of search function implementation for my application, facing a lot of issues, and after completely frying my mind, I have come to a solution. That solution is within the Firebase only, and the solution is a extension which is named as Search with Algolia. This extension is very much powerful if you want to implement search in your application with a few lines of code. In order to use this application extension, you must be on the Blaze plan, and I'm going to tell you how this extension works. Okay, so if you want to implement search on the basis of your users, like on the basis of username, user full name, or user location, or user bio, or anything, your collection of users will automatically be exported to your Algolia application. Okay, so if you want to implement this search, you must have a Algolia application and install this application in your Firebase project. Okay, so all the CRUD operation performed inside the collection of users will automatically be performed inside your Algolia also. Okay, this is the main point to be noted. The second thing is that to install this extension, your Firebase project must be on the Blaze plan, okay, which I have told you before only. These 2 points are only main inside this documentation. So in order to install this extension, go inside your project, and I've already pretty installed this extension. In order to install this extension for yourself, go to your extension. Here will be a couple of lists of extensions. You can select the search with Algolia extension and install it. You will be asked to give them application ID and API key. So in order to get both of them, go to your Algolia application and create a new application. I already have created one. So go to the indices tab, go to your indexes, create a new index over here, and after creating it, go to your API keys section, copy the application ID and pass it to the parameter inside your installing tab. To get an API key, go to this tab, create a new API key from here and give it an index name, and after creating it, your API key will be visible here. Copy it and paste it inside your installing tab. After installing the extension, there might be two possible test cases, like your collection of users. Like I am taking examples of users only, so I am talking about users. So if your collection of users have documents already, like 50 documents, so if you want to transfer all those documents to Algolia, that is one case. Or if you initially you have 0 documents, that is one case. So initially if you have 0 documents, so just skip this part, and if you have a lot of documents, then you can go to your extensions, manage extensions, how this extension works tab. Inside this you can follow these steps in order to just transport all your current documents to your Algolia application. After transporting it, go to your pubspec.yaml file and paste this dependency. After pasting it and getting your packages, you must go and create a new file named algolia service.dart, import the Algolia package, create a new application and initialize it with Algolia, pass it your application ID and your API key. After passing, go to your search screen or search tab, whatever, and initialize your Algolia application over here. After initializing, create a new method. That method will be having a parameter named query, and create a Algolia query. After creating your Algolia query and just using the method index, give it an index name and dot query. This dot query method will create a query for your application, for your search, and after getting the query, you can just pass it the query inside your Algolia query snapshot and do whatever you want. Like I am just printing right now the number of hits and passing these hits to my results list. This list contains Algolia object snapshots only. Okay, and after that I am updating my UI. In order to use it, just create a list view or separated color list view builder or anything that contains a list, and just pass the everything like this only. And another main point of noticing is that how do I implement search on the basis of name, username, and bio, or location, or anything. So in order to do that, go to your Algolia tab, and inside your indices, go to your index on which you want to implement your search. Go to the configuration, go to your searchable attributes, and pass all these three. Your search will be implemented on the basis of these three things only.